I think we can say that React version 16.8 has made a new era with the concept of hooks. Hooks allow us to use function components with state and lifecycle features. So we don't need to change the function components to class to make a stateful logic anymore. So we're gonna go through a couple of hooks together for the next videos. And the first topic is useState. If you have used setState before hooks era, it's good to be clear of the difference between setState. The first point is when we update the state variable will be replaced instead of being merged. And the second point, state doesn't have to be an object. So yeah, we're gonna cover these 2 points with examples very soon. So very first thing, let's create a state using useState. I've imported this useState from React and have a state for full name, and the default value is an empty string. So basically, we pass this initial value as an argument, and when this useState is invoked, it will return an array with state value and state setter. So if you want to update the component state, you can call this updater function with the new states. We can have as many states as we want. So here I've added one more state for age with the default value 0. And checking if it's working okay. So by showing this, we just proved the second point, which was state doesn't have to be an object. But we can still group the related states together in objects or arrays. So I'm gonna combine these two in one object and complete the form. But right here, by destructing the form, it ensures we don't lose name when we update the age. Check the project quickly. It's working. It was a quick useState intro, and we'll keep updating new videos with hooks topic. Can you comment or message me if there's any topic you want me to cover? Yeah, cool. Thanks, guys.